Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted WhatsApp messages. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp and click on three dots on the top right. Here you need to click on settings and go on to the chats, and here you can scroll down and click on chat backup, and from your chat backup you can easily recover your messages. And here you can see that once you are so here you can see that I selected my Google Drive monthly and Google account. You can select your Google account from here that you want to add, and it is monthly. And after that you simply need to recover all your messages from chat backup. So this is a process by which you can recover messages on WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.